This Sophia, this a ring, this a engagement ring. This Sophia, now she buy am from herself to herself. This Sophia, you see this ring? Now from herself to herself. Hey, she video fans, she video dog. He pain una. He pain una as in he pain una. Pam pam. He sight una for body. Wow, 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 wow. This ring. Oh Jesus Christ. He give the Shivido fans waga waga. He show them shege. So my people, are they for internet too? Now see, you know, say this video fans, they don't come out and say Sophia na audio. Now they say their oga, the king of audio, they dash 15 million to an person, to an ex-user, where be say they promote all the boo way in don they do. They say this ex-user no dey for income before. They say all of a sudden they can't go for back, go meet am. Allegedly say make e come join their camp. Now this ex-user now don dey support in people, don dey who they send am make e go boo. Now oga say make e send account number, e dash am 15 million. No be only this one o. There is a car wey dey talk say oga buy for Chioma assistant manager. Ask me which work Chioma dey do. Chioma dey only dey cook food for your husband shop, but she get manager, she get assistant manager. They say oga buy the manager Bugatti Maserati Q. They say he buy am Maserati Q, luxurious Q4, luxurious Italian SUV. He buy am. Hey God, hey, shivi dog. Una audio no be here. Last week, they say oga dash another person 15 million. 2 weeks ago, they call oga say make e come do betting o, make e come bet about truth or dare. Oga cry say he get 6 children wey dey feed, say he no fit bet anything. All of a sudden this week, e never reach 1 week wey that one happen o. Oga don dash 15 million, he don dash 5 million, he don dash Maserati car is worth, that car is worth almost $60 million. $60,000. Yes, because na second hand, na Tokumbo, no be brand new. Tokumbo worth around that $60,000. Oga don dash $16,000. He don dash 15 million. He don dash 5 million. We never talk of all those small other one wey say the dash away give, make people send account number. No evidence. He say make the person say account number. You see the transfer? No. The 5,000 million wey say he sabi 5 million wey say send give one person last week. You see evidence? No evidence. This 15 million wey you dey see for my page, evidence no dey. Now the question is, shey the shivi rat, shivi dog, shivi goat and shivi mosquito and the shivi wizard, shey dem no know say this their oga doing say na audio? You go tell me say shivi rat, shivi dog, shivi wizard and shivi cat and dog, say dem no know say this one na audio? Say na audio? No, they no dey for comment section. No, all of them, they be like say they give them over sleeping dose. None of them dey for this comment section to call oga to order, say oga abeg o, all this 15 million you dash person Maserati, yesterday you dash person 5 million, abeg show us evidence. But if na Sophia ring now, this Sophia engagement ring now, they don't, if you see the way they go pack gather for the comment section, they go they cry, they go they weep, this one go they complain, they go they talk, they go they pain, they go feel bitter, some of them go they walla, some of them Sophia they vomit for their head, Sophia they laugh them, because why? They love Sophia, they are Sophia fan. You go see the way they go come in millions. They be like ants wey be say they can't gather sugar leak. They dey for Sophia page, they cry. They dey for under Sophia comment, they comment. Now see their oga don dash Maserati 60 million. They no go cry for the comment section. No. All of them they jump. No be say even they no even comment plenty for all these things wey they do. Now just very few blogger come out, come call out the video, say Davido abeg stop all this audio. They don't come call am out say, see, why you dey sponsor boo? Why you dey encourage boo? And now you go first come as con they tell people say you go sue them, you go arrest them. But now you they encourage pages where be say they call whiskey out, they boo whiskey, they boo your baby mama. You go they tell them say make they bring account number, make you give them money. They say why it be like that. And you know what? This shivi rat, they know they see am o. They go pay deaf ear, they go play dumb ear. But when it comes to Sophia, they go get energy. As in, they go get automatic energy. Energy go enter their body. They go enter the comment section. Oh, audio, fake life, this, as in, oh my God, they swear for now. The Baba will do this just will turn this thing upside down, as in the thing there, it marvel me. Because the way the Shivido fans go come out in their millions on top of Sophia matter. But when you reach to go stream their organ music, you no go see them. When you reach when their organ they throw audio account up and down, say 15 million, 10 million, 5 million, send $10,000, dash this one $10,000. You no go see them all. You no go ever see them. They no go comment that comment section. If the people come plenty for that comment section, it don't go past 200. But make it be Sophia. Hey, before 10 minutes, you don't see 3 million comments. You guys are Sophia #1 fan. You guys are Sophia #1 fan. You no get what you want to tell me. Sophia don't laugh una tire. Say, see, una fan Sophia pass even Shoma Davido. Una fan na. Na make a success go so me una go so for una. Oga recently, he never reached 2 weeks here where they say me Oga can't do truth or dare. Oga cry say get 6 children where they take care of. So tell the Shivido fan called they do damage control said if I the late pikin there among the 6 children. So Oga needs to concentrate to take care of his children. All of a sudden, he never reach 1 week. Oga don dey dash Maserati. He don dey dash 15 million. He don dey dash 10 million. He don dey dash 5 million. Come see all the these bloggers the way that they refer him as Oboshela. Those bloggers, if you never hear the bloggers where they refer him as Oboshela, go and find them out. Oboshela blog don't come outside come to say abeg make him stop this thing when they do. He say as in for in caliber of person, say whether we don't ever see Wizkid and the rest of them like Tiwa Savage or Teams, they go comment or they go bring controversy inside. No, they say na only Oga they sponsor all this kind of thing. They don't come and they can't draw them like I better pass my generator say all this money will be say they say na audio money save. They no even talking na real money. Say go they encourage these small boys to they go boo on behalf of fun. They say he should stop it. They say na see he go see come and come cry victim. He go come and cry victim, go cry. So you guys are attacking me because my father is rich. Oh, now you go do sue person go court. Now you go come internet curse the person. Now you go see send your fan after the person. Now you as waiting. She video they swear for now. They swear for now. It be like say the jazz where they do for now upside down the jazz they work now. Is working against you people because the person will be saying una supposed to promote una no dey promote am una no promote music una no promote madam na Sophia as in you guys are soldiers for Sophia una dey carry Sophia matter for head like June 12th as in without Sophia una no fit breathe una no fit live make Sophia sneeze now you go see comment section under 10 minutes e don reach 3,000. But may Oga release blues or release music now, you no go see comments for them. May Oga wait don't they give 15 million Maserati, go look at the comment section. The comment section they no reach 200. That's to tell you say these Shividos and Shivirat they be Sophia #1 fan. That's the more reason Sophia go continue to they succeed because these people when Sophia will release any picture now then they first they go view am. They go view with fake page. They get people where we say they don't recruit them. Where they blog about Sophia. Without Sophia lifestyle, the Shivido camp cannot feed. They cannot feed their family. They will all go hungry. That is the reason. See, for X, so we don't hear say they say now the Shivido fans them or the Shivido camp them. Now then they go create the WhatsApp group. They don't leak the WhatsApp group where they say their Oga. They go tell them who to go boo. They don't leak them. I dey tell una which day where they say Sophia fan page go create a fan page for Shoma say they find the WhatsApp group. They say na lie you. They say na then get WhatsApp group oh. Go for S go see wetin dey happen. They don't they warn their Oga say the WhatsApp page when they create they tell all these small boys bloggers say may they go boo so people may they go boo. They say na they give the names. As make you go find those bloggers where they refer as Oboshela. Those who are where they refer in friend as Cubana Chin Chin. Go hear what they talk. Those ones with their full shares, they call them out in broad daylight. They say make it bring a lawsuit come. Say they go deal with and say evidence full ground. It get at a point where they can't even they tell am say see now they don't dey use and they pay a wife. Say a wife get one something. Say a wife get VVY. Say the VVY where a wife get, they say na one S user go post am. Say because say they say his sin done too much. Now they don't dey use and they rub on top of his household. They call the one and say make it stop because see these things wey they do now, it go rub upon people wey be say e no even know say e go rub upon am. They say make it retrieve in step, make it stop all this boo wey dey boo because e be like say as e dey do the boo so instead of the boo to the boo to in liking, the boo go boo against am. They don't come warn am several times. But you know say this shivi ras and shivi dog, they get defty. They know they hear. They be like zombie. Now the ones where they no send that they do. Now wetin they not supposed to dey concerned about, now they concerned about, they are all concerned about Sophia. Now Sophia success dependent. Now Sophia lifestyle dependent. Even when Sophia no call their name independent. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.